Hey guys, just another update to the misfire in my previous video. I decided that when I opened that up, the spark plugs, they look, the 4-cylinder which had a misfire, it looked like there was some rust developed on it. So I decided to just change out all the plugs. The coils are still in good condition, but wanted to give you a quick change, a process. I know there's a lot of videos on there. There's probably just another one that people can watch. I already changed out the 3 plugs as the last one, so just kind of work your way into the plug. I loosened it up already, so here's, get that focus in. So there's the old plug. I'm not sure if these are original plugs. These are the original Densos. I'm assuming original. The car has about 180,000 miles. I picked it up around 179,000 miles roughly, or 180,000. I only put maybe about 2,000 miles, and I had 1,000-mile trip to Virginia, 4 days camping out there, so started getting the misfire. So yeah, this may be either the original or maybe second set of first pair since the originals that maybe the car saw, but yeah, figured let's just change it out. So it's not bad, pretty quick. Take this guy off. I got new Denso's Iridiums, long life. Let's see, yeah, SK 16R11s. One thing I would recommend is that you, in the boot, you take some, use a boot protector. Costs like maybe $1.75, $1.80 at your local auto shop. Take that, you just put that inside the boot. Helps preserve that piece of rubber and also creates a nice seal. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just need a simple a 5/8 plug, spark plug adapter, and extension, as the cylinders in there pretty deep. So this is a 3/8. I don't know how long the extension is, but you do need it. I have a shorter extension here, but it's way too small. But long extension of 5/8 spark plug adapter. And it's pretty easy to work. The car is pretty simple enough, and changing spark plugs pretty easy. You don't have to do a lot of work. You have this component, this relay box that sits right up there. You just got to take two screws off, and you move it to the side, and you have all the access that you need to remove the spark plug. So you just got the cables, unplug the cable, take out the coil, and then you have access to the plug. So pretty straightforward. You guys can do it easy, but again, when you change out the spark plugs, make sure you get dielectric grease. Goes a long way. Enjoy.